Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you new lesson tense in grammar, right? But today we discuss about the present tense. Okay? First of all, we recall what is the meaning of tense. Tense means काल, समय. Okay? What is the tense? The tense of a verb refer to the time when the action of the verb is performed. Tense of a verb, सेंटेंस के अंदर जो वर्ब दिया जाता है वो हमें समय के लिए कुछ बताता है, समय को दर्शाता है और हमें ये बताता है कि वो एक्शन कब की गई है, जो हमें उस वर्ब यानी उस एक्शन वर्ड से पता चलता है. टेंस ऑफ अ वर्ब कैन बी ऑफ 3 टाइप्स. टेंस ऑफ वर्ब 3 टाइप्स के हो सकते हैं: पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर. पास्ट इट मीन्स भूतकाल, प्रेजेंट इट मीन्स वर्तमान काल एंड फ्यूचर मीन्स भविष्य काल. ओके, ईच टाइप ऑफ टेंस हैज़ 4 फॉर्म्स. हर एक टाइप के टेंस के 4 फॉर्म्स होते हैं: सिंपल, कंटिन्यूअस, परफेक्ट एंड परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. Now students, let's discuss about the present tense, right? What is the present tense? The present tense of the verb refers to a state or an event that happens in the present time. Present tense, it means वर्तमान काल. वर्तमान काल हमें सेंटेंस के अंदर हमारे साथ वर्तमान समय में क्या हो रहा है ये बताता है, right? There are few signal words we are using in the tense. They are every day, sometimes, always, often, usually, seldom, never, first, then. Okay? Now, uses of simple present tense. हम किस तरीके से सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस को यूज़ करते हैं? जैसे समथिंग हैपन्स रिपीटेडली, कुछ हमारे साथ बार बार हो रहा हो, जिसको हम हैबिचुअल एक्शन भी कहते हैं, राइट? शो अ हैबिचुअल एक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी रीड्स द न्यूज़पेपर एवरी डे. इट मीन्स ये हमारे साथ हर रोज़ हो रहा है, राइट? हाउ ऑफन समथिंग हैपन्स, कितनी बार वो हमारे साथ हो रहा है, कैसे? वन एक्शन फॉलोज अनदर, एक एक्शन दूसरे एक्शन को फॉलो करती है. थिंग्स इन जनरल, जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को जनरली बताते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इंडिया लॉन्चेस इट्स लेटेस्ट सैटेलाइट विथ मच फनफेयर, राइट? With verbs like to love, to hate, to think, etc. It means feelings, thoughts और action को वो current moment में बताता हो. For example, the sky appears cloudy, right? Future meaning timetables, programs. It means हमें वो future के लिए, future action के लिए specific कर रहा हो. For example, the shop closes for repairs next Saturday. Next Saturday it means future, but वो हम उसे present tense में हम बता रहे हैं, right? Form, it means structure. Infinitives, infinitive means main verb, right? How we structure the sentence of present tense, right? He, she, it are singular noun. We, they, you and I are plural noun, right? Now structure. he, she, it plus infinitive plus as or es plus other words, right? You, we, they plus infinitive plus other words, right? Now few examples of affirmative sentence, right? I work, right? Here I is our subject. I is on plural place, right? So we cannot add s with infinitive, right? He is a singular noun, so we add s with infinitive. I go, he goes, right? Now examples of negative, right? I don't work. Students, remember one thing, we cannot use not in the sentence without helping verb. We need helping verb in the sentence. If our subject is on plural place like you, we, they and I, we add do, right? If he, she, it are on subject place, right, we use does, right? We use does. And when we add does in the sentence, we do not need as with infinitive, right? So I don't work, he doesn't work. I don't go, he doesn't go. Clear? Now examples of interrogative. In interrogative sentences we need helping verbs, right? If helping verbs are not given in the sentence, so we use do or does according to subject. If our subject is on plural form, so we use do. If our subject is on singular form, we use does, right? Now structure, right? Do or does plus subject plus infinitive plus other words, right? Examples: do I work? क्या मैं ये काम कर सकती हूँ? Does he work? Do I go? Does he go? Okay? Clear, students? I hope you understood, right?